Hey guys, Ryan here, and today on this huge video we will be doing the fidget spinner challenge. Not really a challenge, but the fidget spinner one. This is that goes off quite fast, as you can see. So, first to the float. If I haven't explained what this is, you get a fidget spinner. Right, what's just got all these balloons fold in the middle, you see, right, it's a toy, right, you can do it to your float, like I'm just doing right now. It's not so at all, but I didn't, for children, maybe, do it, and next to the ear, it feels weird, it's not so. Right, just get it going. Then next to the tongue. Feels weird. If my voice, 2 seconds. Next to the nose. As well. Now to the nose. Oh. Next to the eyelash. That feels pretty weird. Next to the hair. That feels pretty weird. Next to the elbow. So you guys do it then to the elbow. Not really sweat. I've got paper here. And I've put the paper down. I've got a fidget spinner. If we get a piece of paper, go to the paper. Makes a really weird noise. Then imagine you've got the piece of paper, right, and then you get it, and that's actual fluid. So yeah, if you guys haven't saw what it does, that's it. Yeah, I'm using a book. You can do it on anything, but if you hold the middle of it, where you hold with your 2 hands like that, then spin it. But if it's on something, put your one finger on there, and then get your other finger, then boom, it spins. So you guys, now will be there, and then if you do it to here, don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's weird. Yeah, if you do it to the book, it makes a weird noise. Now, if you do it to that, then you can hear it. It makes a weird noise. So yeah, that will be the end of this YouTube video right here. We will end with a big spin. If you can get 10k likes, 10,000 likes and a couple of views, that will be appreciated. So yeah, bye!